Hello everyone and welcome back. So we're doing something a little different this week. I have this denim jacket. It was super cheap. I can't remember where I got it, but it's got these really cute puffy sleeves. It's short, which I don't think I like. It fits nicely, but I had some ideas. I had an idea to maybe take the back out and replace it with fabric, or even this bit, or it could just be the 3 panels here. I wasn't sure, but I also really like the idea of adding fabric to the bottom, maybe ruffles. So I had a little think about it, and I did pin up some fabric. I got this green kind of velvet fabric, which is really cute. And I pinned it up and I had a little look at it and I was like, that's quite nice. But I'm not sure if I would rather have, let me see, layers of ruffles with lace in between the green. So I might test that out. But also, I went for the green because I had orange as well, but I went for the green because I found this in the charity shop, which I thought was really cool. It's got two different sides to it. Stripy is fine, but not quite me. So I thought, this side, yes, some flowers, I like it. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do something different this week. And then I promise we'll go back to doing hats, because hey, we might need a hat to show off that goes with this. So let's get that done. It's cute, but I think we might do these bits. I'm not sure, maybe this bit. I don't know, but I think it needs more. I think because the green is so dark against the light blue, it needs something else. Let's see, let's try it. Well guys, I need to cut that bit, pretend it's not there. What do you think? I like it, I think it's really nice. I've got the sun coming through, blinding me because it's the afternoon. I've spent quite some time sewing this. Anyway, you guys will have to let me know what you think in the comments. I think it's really cute. I'm really glad I did these front bits because these front bits, I think, just gave it a little bit extra, but so cute. I actually want to do more. I would have done, I don't know if I said this before, I would have done some lace as well and had layers rather than just one long bit, but it didn't look right with the white lace against the dark green. It just didn't look quite right. But, oh, I think it's really cute. Now I need to go somewhere to wear it. Maybe I'll take it on holiday with me. Okay guys, we did something different this week. I got a new jacket, which is cool. Okay, as always, thank you so much for coming and hanging out. If you like my coat, please give it a like. If you'd like to subscribe, please do so, but as always, I'm not going to force you to. And what are we going to do next week? Maybe I need a new hat to go with this new coat. I don't know. Anyway, thanks guys. I'll see you next time.